We guide you through how to block adult websites in Google Chrome on your laptop. So the first thing you need to do is to open Chrome and going to Settings menu, then click on Privacy and Security. Select Site Settings, scroll down to Content, and click on Restricted Sites or Safe Search Settings. Toggle on the Safe Search filter to automatically block adult content. Next, for stricter control, you can use free extension like block sites. Just search for it in the Chrome Web Store and it to Chrome. Open the extension, click Add Site, type the URLs you want to block, and hit Add. And make sure to also enable password protection in the extension to prevent changes. After that, restart your browser to apply all settings. And finally, test it by trying to visit a blocked site to confirm it's working. This method keeps your browsing safe and gives you full control over the content you or others can access on your laptop.